So I've seen lately that castor oil is being promoted as a way to help out with your gut health.
First day of school and already my castor oil is missing.
Is the hype true? Well, in this video today we'll discuss exactly what is castor oil. We'll discuss the proposed benefits of castor oil. Then at the very end of the video I'll give you my recommendation on whether I recommend castor oil for your gut health or your overall health. If you're wondering if this is a miracle drug for your gut, this video is for you guys. Let's talk about poop. Howdy y'all, Dr. Islam here, aka your poop guru and gut microbiome expert. I'm a board certified gastroenterologist trained at the Mayo Clinic. Come see us at Love Gastro for all your GI needs and consider subscribing to this channel. Now, castor oil has been used for centuries, yes, centuries, as a way to help out with your overall health and with your gut health in particular. It is derived from castor beans, and it is a type of a vegetable oil collected from the castor oil plant seed in countries such as India and South Asia. Now, specifically in the GI tract, castor oil has been used to help out with constipation as a natural laxative to get you flowing and get you going. The main effect of castor oil comes from a chemical actually in the castor oil itself called ricinoleic acid. So in the gut, lipase, which is an enzyme to break down oils and fats, breaks down castor oil into ricinoleic acid. Now here, we're going to go into the crazy science now. Now that activates EP3 and EP4, which are receptors in the smooth muscle of your GI tract. And the smooth muscle really makes up a majority of your muscles within your gut to help move things through and propel things inside your gut and your colon. Now, activation of these receptors temporarily stimulates calcium channels to produce more calcium, which promotes more stimulation and contraction of your gut. It actually helps it with the motility to move things along inside your GI tract. Now, these are same receptors that are still stimulated in the uterus, which can actually cause the induction of labor as well. Now, there are a couple different ways in which castor oil is used for health benefits. So let's talk about constipation first. So like I mentioned before, castor oil stimulates the contraction of your gut by stimulating what are called smooth muscles to move things along and to propel things. So it's approved as a stimulant laxative, very similar to other stimulant laxatives. These include Senna and Dulcolax. Now, sometimes with castor oil, it can take hours to get things moving, even up to 6 hours to allow you to propel things inside your GI tract because of all the changes going on whenever you stimulate those receptors. Now, the best way to use castor oil is to actually take it by mouth because it actually needs the breakdown of that oil to allow it to have its effect. Now, the dosage for constipation typically is 15 milliliters per day. Like I said before, it can sometimes take hours to actually have the effect. So if you're wanting to use this for a quick effect for your GI tract, this may not be the best option for you. Now, other benefits of castor oil include promoting blood flow by increasing those prostaglandins. Now, sometimes you can add castor oil packs to your abdomen. You actually put it on there. Keep in mind that will not help out with constipation. But for some people, you can increase the blood flow to that area. Now, by doing that, you can sometimes decrease cramps or abdominal discomfort. Now, keep in mind, like everything in life, there are some side effects with using these medications long term. So one of them could be loss of potassium. Now, it should not be used for those who are pregnant or hoping to get pregnant because of the contraction of the prostaglandins inside the uterus to induce labor. Now, because it's a laxative, you can also have symptoms like diarrhea, which may be a necessary side effect you may want. And like anything, we always recommend, always make sure to talk to your healthcare provider about whether it's the right thing for your individual needs. So do I, as a gut guru, recommend castor oil? It is part of my regimen in the right patient. I have to stress this for patients who have constipation. It does work, it is effective, but once again, our goal is to find out why you're constipated. Is there something else going on, or do we see exactly what the root cause is? So what I wanna do first is see if we can determine what is the root cause for your constipation, address that, and maybe use things like castor oil to help figure out exactly what we can do to get you better. But like everything in medicine, you always have to speak to your healthcare provider about whether this is the best option for you. So here's my question of the day. Have you used castor oil to help out with your gut? Did it help out with constipation? Did you have the benefit you were hoping to get? Comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, don't forget to come see us at Love Gastro for all your GI needs and subscribe to my newsletter where you can get more information like you're learning in today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, let's talk about poop. Thanks, everyone.